Saturday morning and you got stuck with these. I used to love these things growing up. The blueberry ones were definitely always better. But honestly, at $9 a box, we can do better. And with the power of 3 ingredients, you can make these at home yourself.
He's got the power.
1 pound of sausage. 2 packages of Martha White blueberry muffin mix. You don't have to technically use the blueberry one. You can use whatever one you like. Blueberry is just my spirit animal. 1 baggie, 2 baggie, 3 blocky cream cheese. Blueberry sausage in the morning. Hopefully you preheated that oven to 350. Time to glove up and get wild, homie. Dig in. You can use a spatula if you want to, but honestly your hands work just as fine. Just get up in there and do the old bend and snap. Talk about kid-friendly recipes. If you get tired of needing this thing, just tell your kids it's Play-Doh and watch them get to work for free. We're gonna set this off to the side, bring in our muffin tins. A little bit of a variety for a reason. I'm a father of 5 kids. I know what it's like to give somebody a large portion of something just to watch them throw it in the trash and me be disappointed the rest of the day. These are mommy and daddy's muffins. These are the kids' samples so they can tell us they don't like everything we make and they hate us. You can spoon if you want to. Personally, I already had gloves on, so let's just go ahead and use my hands. The goal here is to fill the muffin cup up, but not too full where it goes from a blessing to a messing. Your cup might runneth over. If it runs over in your oven, that God bless this mess sign in your kitchen might be working overtime. We got 4 of the big muffins for dad, and on the little guys, we got 8, 10, 12. So about 2 for each kid. Worked out pretty good. Emotional support tray. I just don't want the little silicone molds falling in between the grates and the oven, okay? Make these at 350 degrees for like 25 to 30 minutes. What? What else was I supposed to do while I'm waiting? I'm just trying to enjoy a few moments of peace while the kids are upstairs. Just leave me alone. Not gonna lie, these look pretty fire. All I need to do now is pop a popsicle stick through them. Call them blueberry sausage pancake pops. They'll be revolutionary. The best part about this recipe, super affordable. Didn't even have to use any eggs. All because we used that Martha White. Yo, these look amazing. I think the kids are gonna love these. I'm definitely glad I made a variety. See, there's you and the guy she told you not to worry about. But I know what you're thinking. How do they taste? And are they up to snuff? Let's grab a little pancake syrup and our little tester plate. No, right? They look so big on that little plate. It's like all the conveniences of a blueberry muffin, but with sausage. They smell amazing. Let's give it a taste test. Besides the fact that I just burned my mouth and got syrup all over me, these are amazing. Don't worry, I have a cover story. Kids, you don't want any, they're terrible. No, you saw the big boy, but what's the little guy look like? Beautiful. The saltiness of the sausage complements the sweetness of the blueberry perfectly. This is a super easy recipe. It only took 3 ingredients. I have a ton of them to eat on throughout the week. Saved just a little bit of money on this, and plus we made something fun for the kids to eat. Excuse me, the show's over.